Hi everyone, it's Cindy A. Lewis and I am counting down to Christmas with this Advent calendar from Crafter's Companion. So today is December 5th and this is door number 5 and I can't wait to open it. So let's go ahead. We opened 1, 2, 3, and 4 and I'm keeping track of everything that was in my doors for each day. Doors 1, 2, 3, 4. So let's see what in door number 5. So let's see if we can get it open here. And this is a little door, so I don't know what is behind here. As you can see, I have not cheated. And it looks like a word. We've gotten a couple of words. We've gotten party and father. And now it looks like we're getting another word. And I can't tell what it is. So let's see if we can pull it out. And it appears to be friend. So let's cut it out with my Gemini Go and see how it looks. So give me 1 second. Okay, I've made my sandwich. I put my die in here. And let's see. Well, you can see the negative turned out really cute. And I'll just poke that out real quick. And see. It is really tiny. Well, not extremely tiny, not any tinier than party, but let me get it out real quick. It's really delicate and it cut perfectly, as you can see. So friend, nice. So that is for December 5th. I'm so excited and looking forward to see what's behind door number 6. So I hope you'll come back tomorrow and let's find out what die cut is under door number 6. So anyway, thank you for watching and until tomorrow.